So your movie Palm Springs was huge last year.
Oh, yeah.
And I think I heard this right, but is it true that you learned quantum physics?
I learned,
because that's really method.
yeah, I'd say I didn't learn them.
Okay.
But I researched enough to know exactly what I was talking about. There used to be this long speech in it where I explain like the time loop.
Yeah.
And then when they screened it for people, everyone sort of felt like, well, it's superfluous at this point. Like we've accepted they're in a time loop. We don't need to know why.
Yeah.
And so it was like pages and pages of quantum physics stuff. And I memorized, I like learned enough to know what I was talking about. And the minute we wrapped that scene, it was like, gone.
Yeah. And did you say they cut it?
They cut it.
That is.
It's the tail end of it, isn't there?
A little inside for you, just
I know.
like learning all that and doing all that hard work, and then you're like, oh, cool, it's
But
just on the floor.
That happens so often because, you know, obviously you don't have any control, like with the edit, and you'll do something like a monologue or like a scene that like feels really good, and then they'll be like, and here's the final product, and it'll be like the tail end when you're like, and that's why I don't go to restaurants, and you're like, oh, okay, got it. Yeah, well, okay.
Cool, solid.
Yeah.
Want more fun stuff? I thought so. Check out these videos floating around my head. This one is really cool. I'm just saying. No pressure.